See, now we are in Sri Mushnam. This is the one of the Abhimana Sthalam of Lord Vishnu. And the second importance is, out of 8 Swayambhu Murtis, he is in the second place. The 8 places are Srirangam, Sri Mushnam where we are now, Tirupati, Vanamamalai, Salagramam, which is in Nepal, Pushkaram, Naimasaranyam and Badriga Stramam, that is Badrinath. Sri Venugopal Sannidhi. This is Sri Bhuvaraga Swami Sannidhi. Beautiful big temple. Dvastambam. Beautiful temple. So big. Sri Kurandai Amman Sannidhi. Saptak Kannigal. This is the Paramapada Vasal, which will open only on Vaikunta Ekadasi. Sri Moolavar Bhuvaraga Swami Sannidhi, Viman and Kalasam.